staring match with a seagull. The graceful, soft hum of her landing on the deck of my existence coincides with the freedom of loving myself for the first time. Clichés have no place in poetry, so I won't say that it feels like I've met this seagull before on a distant shore. But when her wings are spread, returning from exploring lonesome endeavors, a prickly rock bed sprouts all over my sandy skin. When her feathers wrap around my organism, just like mycelium. Under the cover of the sea that once crushed my body's soil to oil, an enemy feeding turns once a bleak existence to a flowering purple and yellow lake of hope. Bound to self-growth, this isn't a minefield of toxicity, but an exploration of two souls only nailed to this earth by the never-tamed frame that holds them. Language interchanged by firing high-paced signals just by locking the brown and blue portals. No longer waiting for the Big Bang to create space, we hold it between the sweet bread and brushing our beaks. Endless possibilities, but a mind trick where the path migrates this. Only hope is for the net of previous failed conquests to allow ourselves to flow mindful along the winding river we label existence and meet flights of resilience with a soft underbelly of vulnerability fused with a surfing for adventure of this great body of water. Is this what it feels to feel?